Hello guys, we have a ZKTeco MB460 and we are about to unbox it. So let's see what we have in this container. So by the side of the carton, you have the time and attendance terminal, workforce management solution. So this is where it could be used in a school, a business center, a government center, a clinic, logistics, bank, office, factory. So you can basically use this device, I can say, anywhere. So what it does is that it assists your employers, or rather your employees, to get their attendance recorded digitally. So usually you have a book tender where they get to write their names and all of that. But with this device, there'll be no need for all of that. So it's automatic and digital. And as an employee, you just need to enter your fingerprint or a card or a passcode, depending on what you did or what you intend to configure it on. But for this particular one, I think we're going to be doing a card and a fingerprint configuration. It also has a Face ID method. So follow me as I unbox this package. Yeah, so when you open your carton, the first thing you get to see is a manual. So this is what an MB460 manual looks like. I think with this you're able to determine what to do and what not to do with the device. So an interesting thing to know about this MB460 is that it can also work as an access control. So you can connect it to your door and use it as your normal fingerprint or probably card access control. So it comes with a manual first. So we're going to take off this floater. So it comes with this. So this is just like a sitter if you want to place it on the wall. So this is what you need this for. So this will be going straight into your wall and be clipped at the back of the device. So it comes with this also. So yeah, so this is the power cable. It comes with the power cable. And then MB460 also has a battery. So you'll be able to be powered on even without this power adapter. But then it gets to run down easily. So all you need to do is probably when you're setting it up, set it up close to where you have a power connection. So in any in a case where there is no power provided or whatever, the inbuilt battery will still going to serve. So this is the power cable. It has, let's get to see what the rating is. So it has about if you can see this, it has about 0.7 amperes, so it's a 12.0 volts. So that's what it is. Then yeah, so this is our device. This is what an MB460 looks like. So like I said, I told you guys that it has an inbuilt battery. So you can see it's not being plugged on. This is the power cable. But then if I get to turn it, okay, I think the battery is down. The battery is down at the moment, but it has on and off switch right behind. So it has been on, I think, all night. So that is why it is not on at the moment. So this is what it is. It has an Ethernet adapter. This also has a Wi-Fi connection. This is where you plug your power point. So this is for access control. If you want to use it as an access control, this is where you do your termination. So yeah, so this is it. So it has an iris scanner. It has a display for pictures. This is for your passcode and menu navigation. Then this for your fingerprint, right? Yeah, so it comes with a card. So this is like a card, or less an admin access card. You could use this as a first trial. So, but you could still get extra cards for all your staff to get them configured on. So yeah, so what's this? I think this is a sticker to guide you on how to place this. So you can see you have this point. You have this point this way. So all you need to do is you have these are your aiming points. So you have also 3 holes in here. So you just trace it this way and glue it to the wall. or rather screw it to the wall. So yeah, so it comes with a screw and fisher, and also the access control adapter. So yeah, so follow me, because the next video I'll be dropping how you can configure an MB460. Thanks for watching, guys.